stuck right on my mustache. Honey, what's it stuck here for? Come on, my mustache. Come on, my mustache. Come on, my mustache. I'm stuck on my mustache. It's stuck right on my mustache. Honey, what am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna play blues. Let's do that again. I started to chew. I wanted to make a bubble, so I blew and blew. One got so big, about as large as could be. It finally got so huge that it broke all over me. I got gum on my mustache, gum on my mustache. Stuck right on my